Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Rowifi Discord using an easy method. First, you will need to connect your Discord account to Rowifi. This allows for seamless integration between the two platforms. Next, authorize Rowifi to access the necessary Discord permissions, which are crucial for its functionality. Finally, ensure your Discord server has a dedicated verification channel ready for use, making the process smooth for everyone. Once connected, the next step is to invite the Rowifi bot to your Discord server. After the bot joins, use the simple /setup command to begin the configuration process. During this step, you will specify the designated verification channel where members will initiate their verification. You will also assign the specific roles that verified members will receive automatically. For your members, the verification process is straightforward. They simply use the /verify command within the designated verification channel. Following this, they will receive a direct message containing a unique verification link. By clicking and completing the steps on this link, they will automatically be granted the specified verified role in your Discord server, usually within a few seconds. If you encounter any issues, first check the bot's permissions to ensure it has all necessary access. Also, confirm that the verification channel is accessible to all members who need to verify. For best practices, regularly review your Rowifi settings to ensure everything is configured optimally. This helps maintain a smooth and efficient verification system for your community.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.